Since the Fed decided to lower interest rates, the coin market is going through the roof. October has always been a good month for cryptocurrencies, and a lot of buyers think that the trend will continue. Bitcoin had already risen above $66,000, making it the most valuable cryptocurrency since August. This caused XRP and other major altcoins to rise as well. In the past 30 days, XRP has gone up by 9.60, which is not much. A well-known chart expert named Captain Fate shared his thoughts on the X platform today and said that XRP has finally confirmed a big breakout. Based on his research, the 3-year consolidation period finished with XRP's symmetrical triangle breakout, which is a big change for the token, with a midterm price goal of $2.40, which is almost a 300% increase from where it is now at $0.64. A lot of people are excited about XRP's rise, but Captain Fabic is optimistic about its future. More and more people are worried that this could change how the price moves in the future. At first, a court said that XRP was not a security. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States may still appeal this ruling. Watcher Guru says that rumors about the SEC's appeal are growing. The agency has until October 6th to send it in. Recently, cryptocurrency analyst Matu Perry talked about his thoughts on the issue in a YouTube video. He said that the result of the SEC's appeal decision could have a big impact on the future of XRP. Uncertainty and less industrial joy could happen if the SEC decides to file an appeal. On the other hand, if the agency decides not to appeal, the price of XRP may go up even more as investors become more confident in its regulatory situation. People who have invested in XRP are eagerly waiting for the next step. Since the SEC date is coming up soon, if everything goes as planned, XRP could see big gains in October. This would keep up the positive mood that the rise in the crypto market has created for XRP. This year, 2024, the buy volume is at its highest point ever, with almost twice as much going on in 24 hours as normal. This makes it seem like XRP is still useful, but not many people know about it until the first truly crazy breakout light. XRP and Bitcoin are the only coins that have always been in the top 10 by market cap. For more than 10 years, XRP has been one of the 10 most valuable coins. But this doesn't make people think that XRP is here to stay. Whales who own a lot of XRP have been buying up like crazy. Before the recent rise, people give up and get scared, which is why splashy whales get watery and buy your XRP on the cheap. In a piece, the supporter of blockchain says that it would be very hard for market players to forget about timing if a C19 crash happened outside of the market. His theory says that the charts might be set up like this: ignore the date and look for a sharp rise followed by a possible decline that might be linked to where we are now. Some people believe this idea because more money entering the world's markets would probably cause a big drop in the value of all crypto assets, including XRP. Bitcoin does not cause these 4-year cycles. Instead, they are caused by changes in the amount of money available around the world. More money is coming into the world just at the right time. And some of it ends up in our asset class, which includes our beloved XRP. Pompeo, a Bitcoin maximalist who wrote another post stressing how important it is for cryptocurrencies to be liquid all over the world. The chart analyst Mikey Bull Crypto also knows about this pattern in a global liquidity measure, which he talks about. Once again, global liquidity is rising and assets like Bitcoin, real estate, stocks, and commodities are ready to make the most money. There have been many reasons given by experts for their predictions, but now we are living through them. It's still a good way to invest because there are a lot of people buying XRP perpetual contracts and there could be a big break for the whole crypto asset class. Bitcoin's link to global M2 is over 80 times stronger than those of other asset classes. This has led to a parabolic rise that affects the whole asset class. And this is why the money comes in. It's not clear if it will happen again at this point, as we should think it will happen again because of many cases from the past. A post by chart analyst Mikey Bull Crypto says that XRP could hit $10 to $20 this cycle. This asset is also in a positive mood, so it is possible for it to make such gains. But people who are loud, rude, narrow-minded, and smart but don't share that view often make this feeling worse. As shown by their large XRP investments, most cryptocurrency buyers don't agree with this view. XRP has been in the top 10 coins by market capitalization for more than 10 years, which shows that buyers around the world are saying no. This means the market is in a crazy bull market and the breakout from the 4-year triangle will be amazing. It's almost time for XRP's 7-year saga. The breakout is almost ready to happen, and current chart experts say that the stars are aligned for a huge breakthrough. About 470 million XRP have been bought by whales in the last 10 days, and the price has been going up over the last 2 legs. This is when most of this price change has been happening. It's not clear when the first big rise will happen, but it will almost certainly happen again. Rarely and hard to come by is an opinion piece from someone under the sun who hasn't shown a long-standing bias against XRP. Most analysts tend to agree with each other's results, so it's hard to find someone who doesn't agree with this. In conclusion, the growing Link between Bitcoin and global M2 is an important trend that has been going on for over 10 years. Given how the market is right now and how likely it is to happen, investors need to be aware of the chance of a big breakout. It talks about different cryptocurrencies, market charts, and research with a focus on the chance of a bull market happening. Some analysts say that the market is breaking the multi-year BD trend line. If it keeps going up above this point, it could hit $7 to $10 in the future. Chart experts say that the most XRP has been bought on the market over the last 2 days from Forest Global Crypto, Insight UK, and Dom XRPs for a total of $170 million. Also in the writing it says that a weekly close in 8 hours will prove a breakout. And that XRP is already trading outside of the triangle shape it has been in for 7 years. People think that this level of resistance will break up, either rejecting and going down or possibly backtesting as support. The author thinks it will break strongly before it gets to the peak after looking at expert and charts. Analysts today like Dr. Magic and Matthew Hyland stress how important weekly and daily ends are. Based on what Dr. Magic saw, XRP has now closed above $65,000. Matthew Hyland says that Bitcoin will have changed its direction and made higher highs and lower lows for the first time in more than 6 months if it ends the week above $65,000. When prices go down in the future, it will be a chance to buy, so the attitude needs to change to bullish. If Bitcoin ends the week above $65,000, another expert says it will have changed its direction and made higher highs and lower lows for the first time in more than 6 months. Things will go well on the market if it goes over 65,000. The pullback at 52,600 is just a higher low. In the last line of the tech, it says that XRP is still the coin with the best success among the top 10 currencies by market capitalization, even though this hasn't been the case for most of the last 7 years. Right now, it's good to have an extra fee because the market is likely to grow. Plus, the piece says that the best days to have a C when the price of a coin really goes up, it's a I told you so moment. Based on market value, XRP is still the best performing coin in the top 10. This is very likely to happen. At the end of the article, it talks about the possibility of a bull market. Analysts think the market will go up and maybe even hit its peak. Even though some analysts may not be experts in chart analysis, they are still a good way to figure out what's going on in the market and make smart decisions.